All right, good. Can everyone see now my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's do a quick training session for 3D matching. I'm working on a multi-layer. I'm not sure if everyone has 1762, but 1762 is for tenured, 1761 are for newbies. Okay? And most of the tasks in 1761 are easy tasks or single layers. Okay. So, first thing that we should do, always check the left panel first. Okay? So I can see here there is a bit of a gap there. So just make some adjustment. Let's see. So it worked, right? It's already matching. So if your first panel on the right is matching, switch to the rest. It's not matching on this side, right? So let's see where it's not matching. Okay. Let's check other images. It's already matching. Okay. So except for this one, it's not matching on this side. I think the reason why it's not matching because there is a wall height here. I think it's like of a fence on top, like a barricade. So that's okay. So all you have to do is approve this task. Nothing to fix. Next. For this one, just double check if it's matching or not. So this part is not matching. This is the one on top, this one. So what I will do is that I will just redraw this portion, use E, okay? Then group. As soon as you group, you'll see this move to proper location. Draw the wall like you always do when you're doing 3D. So when you see that blue layer already matching on the right, you can stop and then all you have to do is confirm. So you have the top layer complete already. So let's check the rest. So also working properly. Okay, there's a top layer that was missed by the AI, this one. Okay. So what you can do is just capture this. So you can use the S there. Then group it again also. Now, after you group, draw the wall. Now you'll see your blue layer here matching and then stop. Then confirm each panel also. Follow guys.
Yes.
Okay, there's a missed part of the building here in front. Okay, so use H. Okay, then F tool. Then use the Alt button because it's not matching in this area. So Alt, press Alt, click on the line, then drag. So once that blue outline is in position, stop, then you can group. Okay, then F3 to confirm each panel also. Okay, let's submit the task. It's done. Drag sidewall to correct bottom. Once you get this message, press Y. All right. So it's already there. It's been dragged to the correct bottom. So if you check it's already there, press Y again, then submit the task. For this one, boundary overlap, where? Okay. For those who are having boundary overlap issues, I think this is too much already. Then Control P. Let's check. There, it's gone. Kickback. Where is the kickback coming from? There also. So maybe we can have this fixed. There. Control P. There. Put the task. Are we good, guys? Did you follow how to fix those topology errors?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Once you get submit fail last state, Alt S. Submit again the task. It just synced. So boundary overlap, let's check. Someone captured a portion of the building. Let's check. Control E. Boundary overlap again, the smallest, I guess. Okay. So if you get this and it's difficult for you to fix, choose auto alignment. There. So it moved the rest of the panels. So again, low quality requirement, 5 pixels is okay. This is okay. Press Q just to bring out everything. So F2. Again, just to confirm everything. Just drag this. Let's check. Okay. Okay. Okay, all good. So everything is good in this task. Residual. Okay. So if you get a residual error, left click, right click, right click, report this task. So all I have to do is report this because I didn't touch anything. Let's check. Maybe it's just out of position. Control P. There. So something was just out of position. All right, for this one, wow, this is going to be a bit tricky. But as far as I can see, everything is already into position. Did I touch anything? Okay. So just double check. This is okay. Small errors like this are fine. So if you're getting confused, you can switch on and off the layers. Use Q. It will hide the lines at the back so you can see your lines. F2 again. This is good. All good. This one is very good. Any questions so far? So in multi-layer, guys, when you get something like this, drag sidewall to correct bottom, press Y again. So this one is not yet been dragged to the correct bottom. So what you're gonna do, just to be quick, select all, and then drag the sidewall to the correct bottom, not too long, okay? Just use a reference wall, but for the tall ones, you might want to draw them a little longer, just to see. But the rest are fine. So press Y again, then submit the task. Are we clear, guys?
Yes.
I didn't download it. New one. While I'm waiting, any questions?
Sa side, dalawa side yung infos.
Sorry, you're getting disconnected or